Hey, welcome back. This is Beamer Merchant, and today we are gonna go ahead and share some information with you regarding the swap of a DME from one E46 to another. I decided to do this video because I've had questions from customers asking me if they went ahead and purchased a combo similar to what you see here from our website. Can they go ahead and swap it into their car? And if they did that, would they need to reprogram it? Earlier we did a video showing how you can go ahead and easily swap the kit from an X5 donor to another one, and there's no need for reprogramming. So here we decided to do the same thing, and hopefully this will answer any questions that any BMW owners have. And that question is, if I go ahead and swap all these components from a donor 3 series to my car, will it start? Well, we'll answer that towards the end. But why would you need to go ahead and replace this on your car? Okay, question is, why would you need to swap a DME or a EWS or even a key cylinder? Well, there's many reasons. If you ask around, you'll hear stories about, let's say for example, somebody tried, getting into your car, stealing it. They went ahead and, tried to put a screwdriver in here, and they went ahead and messed up your whole key cylinder here. All this was busted. Well, your original key is not gonna work. So in that case, you would need to go ahead and replace your cylinder, get a key program, and so forth. Easiest way is just go ahead and get the whole, buy the whole kit from another donor car and replace it. Another instance too is, I've heard where your keys, get they act funky where they're not programmed anymore, and you need to get them reprogrammed. And that's one reason. Again, there's various reasons why you would need to do that. One that just came to mind is, say for example, you lost your key. Okay, your dog ate it. You don't have this key anymore. You're not going to be able to put another key in here, and you could go to the dealer. I believe the dealer would go ahead and sell you a spare key. I believe if you want this key for your car, it's going to cost you, I don't know, 400 bucks. A spare key is going to go ahead and run you about, I don't know, 200. And your spare key would look like this, not like this. You wouldn't have the ability or the feature of just opening your car with the key. So that's another reason why you would actually go ahead and change, just make your life easier. Go ahead and get everything switched over, and it should work. So that's the experiment we did. We went ahead and this information here is from another car. This was an 02 325 Ci. It was actually a manual. The car we're working with is also an 02 325 Ci, and this is automatic. So we went ahead and took all these components and put them into this car. We started off with the DME, okay, which we did already. We went ahead and replaced the DME right there. We then needed to get access to the EWS right here. This is a very important module. Without this, your car will not start. So what we did is we went ahead and went under here, took all this kick panels off, and we went ahead and plugged in the EWS right there from the other vehicle. And lastly, we went ahead and took the original key cylinder off, okay, which was this one here. That's a tool that I used. Took that off, installed the the donor key cylinder. This is the key. Make sure you connect this ring, because if this ring is not connected, the car's not going to start. So once we did that, we came back into the car, hooked up the battery, and let's see if it's going to start. Okay. Yes, it started. Okay, so in conclusion, if you went ahead and if you go ahead and swap the complete kit from a donor E46 into your E46, it will turn on, and there's no need for you to reprogram the EWS or the DME. Let's go ahead and take a look here. This was the donor car. Okay, this is what we went ahead and put in there. Let's look at the this is the MS43. Okay, this is the original one, the MS43. I see the part numbers are the same there as well. Index 6, Index 7. So by looking at it, the computers are about the same, or yeah, almost the same here. These are the bin numbers if you're going to verify them. And then we look at the EWS here. You see most of the part numbers 613500 670, those are the same. 608 377 Lear, HW0308. So just looking at this here, these parts are the same. So I want to say here that if you're going to go ahead and if your vehicle is a 325, be sure to go ahead and get another kit DME that came from a 325, because these are both O2s, these are both 325s, and as you can see, these are both the DMEs are similar as well. So anyhow, I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, contact us via email and we'll definitely get back to you. Other than that, if you need to go ahead and purchase a complete kit, which comes with a DME EWS key cylinder, driver lock and trunk lock, contact us or visit our website and you will find those parts there. Other than that, thanks for watching and you have a great day.